How to change PuTTY's appearance. If you're going to be using PuTTY a lot, you'll probably want to customize its appearance to what you like best. PuTTY has a number of settings that allow you to do this. Once you have PuTTY open, load a session from the menu. Then, go to Appearance. The first settings here allow you to adjust the cursor's appearance. The default is block, but you can change it to one of the other two if you want. We'll pick Vertical Line. Click this checkbox to make the cursor blink. Now, for the font settings. Click Change. Select a new font from the list. Only monospaced fonts will show up. These are fonts whose characters are all the same width. Change its style, or just leave it set to regular. Adjust the size to something a bit bigger. Then, click OK. Notice, the font name and size listed here has changed. Mark this checkbox to hide the mouse pointer when typing. Last on this page, you can adjust the appearance of the window border. Use this value to control the size of the gap between text and window edge. To display a sunken edge border, click this checkbox. Now, go to Colors. Let's change the background and foreground colors. Hit Modify. Choose a basic color or pick a custom color using the tool at right. Let's use white. Click OK. Now, for the foreground color. We'll pick black for this. Feel free to change any other colors you want. Now, return to the session page. Save our changes to the session. Then, press Open. You should notice that this looks quite a bit different than it does with the default settings. That cursor color is a little bright on a white background. You can change it with the Colors settings where we just were. Log in. Test out a command. That's it! You now know how to change PuTTY's appearance.